dried black beans is easier than you'd think. You'll save so much money if you start buying your beans this way. Measure out 2 cups of beans. You can make more if you like. Pour the beans onto a tray. Check that there are no stones or ugly beans and remove any you find. Trust us, there can be stones and you don't want to bite into one. Transfer the beans to a bowl, then rinse them well for at least a minute to get rid of the dust and dirt. As you can see, this step is important. Strain the beans and cover with 2 to 3 inches of clear water above the beans. The beans will absorb the water and double in size, so make sure you add enough. By soaking the beans, you reduce the cooking time and decrease the flatulence you experience when you eat the beans. Very important. Cover and soak the beans in the fridge for 8 to 48 hours. The process for checking, washing, and soaking is the same for all types of beans. The longer you soak them, the quicker they will cook and the less flatulence they will cause. The beans have doubled in size. Now strain and rinse them before cooking. Add them to a medium to large pot and cover with 2 inches of water above the beans. This way the beans cook evenly. Don't add salt until the end. Place the beans on high heat. Foam will form on top of the water. It's best to spoon this foam off. When they start to boil, turn down to low. We're going to add some onion and garlic flavor. Chop roughly and throw them in the pot and stir in. The beans should be lightly boiling. Cover and continue cooking for 45 minutes. Check the texture of the beans. If they feel soft, they're ready. If they still feel hard, cook for another 10 minutes. Now they're ready. It's time to add salt. We don't add salt at the beginning because it extends the cooking time. Stir and cook for another 5 minutes. Strain out the water, but be sure to save it for another recipe or for storing the beans. They'll take on even more flavor that way. Black beans have amazing health benefits and are really tasty when cooked properly. We like to make a large quantity so we have extra to freeze. Store the beans in the fridge or freeze for future use. We hope you enjoy your perfectly cooked black beans. If you found this video helpful, you'll probably like this one too.